Hi, myself CV Rohit from Code Maniacs team. Today we'll be showcasing you the total complete build of Workify web app, what it is, what functionalities it offers, and what tech is being used, everything. So let's get started. So yeah, this is a Workify website, web app. The tagline is you have to work and you can also make others work. So like work and get paid whenever you're free and get work done when you're busy. Yeah. So this is a GitHub page. This is a client side. We also have backend side. And we also have machine learning, deep learning utils, other API callings too, which we have custom routine functions which we have done that will be updated in the README. So yeah, basically the top view is we have users, customers, and they can be simply become agent by some verification process. So basically customer can post their work on our website, and the agents who are also on our website, if they are interested in that work, they will be requesting that particular customer that I am interested. So basically whenever the customer is posting, that is a customer request. So whenever the agent is requesting, he's interested, we can take top 5 agents, like all the agents will be displayed who are interested. Customers have flexibility to choose one of the agent for that particular work. That particular agent will be like given authentication, like request will be sent, like response will be sent to that agent that yeah, the customer accepted you for the work, and from there the work starts ongoing, completion, cancellation, and everything will be in the hands of customer and agent. And after that the customer can pay to the agent. So this is a complete workflow how our app goes on. And another thing, like the jobs can be anything, which I will show you, like services. Okay, we need to sign up. Okay, I will show you afterwards. So we have services. The jobs can be of jobs and works can be in that category. And the agent also can post the food items if he's a cook. So he can add some delicious food items like chapati, butter naan, paneer items he can post. And he can tell time, like tomorrow he will be available to deliver, or he can take from this pick point. Then customers who are there, they can order the food items. So we are completely decentralizing, or we can say partially decentralizing all the ordering and delivering of their products, or what we can say, or if they want to work, all those things we are partially decentralizing, we can say like that, or partially centralizing anyway around. So yeah, this is a functionality or overview is like top view what I have said, that one only. Skilled and unskilled works are there. So skilled works requires proper authentication. Unskilled work need not take like that much authentication, is like verification is not required. For skilled works we take verification. Basically for if you want to apply for agent, a simple page we need to fill, and you need to submit Aadhaar card. Our deep learning model using PyTestRact, OCR, optical character recognition, as you can know. It will recognize all the details and it will grab the important things from that. And we also use NLP for feedback loop mechanism. So based on the things the customers say about the agent, we will give the rating to agent, so that those particular agent will be popped for the jobs, like for different customers for the new work. Those but the agent with the high rating will be posted higher. And the flexibility, as I've said, we have anyone can work and they can earn money, so that's the flexibility. And we also have unskilled works too, so where proper verification is not required. For verification, what we are doing is we have our own indigenous bedrooms, like I will show you later. Video calling app, basically you can say video audio calling app. So we will verify, like they need to sign on the paper, all those verification we will do. Detailed documentation will be presented. And this is a chat room where client and customer agent can chat. Basically it will be something like this. When you sign out, you can just simply go and sign with Google, and it will take you there. And all the basic and advanced functionality of chat engine are present. This is also indigenous, our custom thing. These two I will show you later. Off the main thing is this app. um, Main feature of this app is this one. So these are functionalities which I have said: the chat engine and video audio chatting app. And we have computer vision we have used for verification, and NLP for feedback loop and giving ratings. So these are the tech stacks which we have used. You can see them. And the functionalities which I just described. So these are the functionalities. This is a landing page actually. Sign up some pages like works we can see. So these are the works presently. We will see all those, and services we need to sign up. We will see that. This is open source, anyone can contribute. Just PR it, we will see, and if you liked it, star also. So this is basically the first page. Let's go to sign up page. Let me sign up as testcust, um, testcust at Gmail, and I have all those mails, don't worry. Yeah, we are signed up. um, let's fill this. Yeah, we are in. So we can see the works over here, and we can also see the services. So basic services, delivery services, common services, skilled services, electrical, carpentry. So other common things which we have over here, those are like unskilled services. Cleaning we have, cooking we have. So agent can post their cooking items, so customers can order them based on the pickup location, based on time, as I've said. So yeah, here we have works, my works posted, my works done, apply to be an agent, your transaction, payment details, your profile. Yeah, this is let me add quickly a photo. Yeah, and birthday something. Yeah, so these are the updating profiles. He's agent, he's not agent. So whenever you verify, this will be coming true. So agent updated comes successfully. So we also have like all profiles. Let's see. So this is one agent at least for now, and we have customers like these many. He's having 4 out of 5 rating. Pretty good, I think. These are like location, and we can see like description, email ID, his agent and rating, and these are the feedbacks which we have other customers have gave from for him. We are see, as you can see, the you can see this one, for suppose this one, very nice, he has giving the feedback, so the sentiment is positive and the confidence is 1. So we have confidence, this is the confidence, and this is the sentiment of that particular agent. So this is the text like awesome work, and as you can see, this one very bad, so we are giving negative and confidence of 1. So this is the NLP thing which we are doing. This is just a front end part, back end part we are not going to majorly show that. Okay, and this all profiles thing and detailed profile. These are feedback, this is a customer basically, so we don't have any feedback. You can change the password and basically sign out. Let me quickly add some work. Something like for suppose electrical work, electrical work need. You can just choose some image. Let's say this something, and this is what electrical, and the cost will be some 100 rupees. Let me publish. Yeah, it's quickly published, and let me see here works. So as you can see, my work has been added over here. I can go quickly to here, and we can see the status. uh, Now we can proceed with the work. Before we start like asking for the agent, so we need one more agent, right? So let me quickly create an agent for you. I can take as fresh agent. So we have created an agent. Now let me go to like apply to be an agent. So this is the form where we need to fill to be an agent. So let me choose an image. This is the image for Aadhaar card. Uh, so this is the Aadhaar image. And let me quickly add this here. Occupation, let him be some delivery guy. Address, for now I'm just giving like that. We need proper address geolocation too, so that we can tag nearby location wise. Skill, he is good in cooking, car driving. Description, good at all. Just to be like, so by this he like this application will be sent. So and in backend what happening is this Aadhaar card is like OCR scanning has been done by SRAC model. So we are just gathering all those input features which we need, and we are classifying Aadhaar card date of birth, and name of him, and we will verify that. Now let's see the workflow, like how the job taking and requesting goes on. So this is a test agent, as you can see, and this one is a test customer. So he has, you requested, posted a work. So you have status, work status we have, and we have ongoing work status too, like what presently is going on. And so this is the agent details will be popped over here. Electrical service work cost this much, need to repair work. So this is a customer. Now we will just shift this side, customer, and agent this side. So this is the agent and this is the customer. Now we will start the workflow. So as you can see, the customer over here, and we have used WebSocket, so real-time communication goes on in the whole pair or multicast mode, we can say. Not broadcast, we need not to do broadcasting because we are pair to pair, we are doing peer to peer, we can say. So whenever he has take job, so the agent has taken that job. So this particular test agent, as I've shown you, test agent, this one, and this is a test cust. So test agent details will be popped over here. The customer is this one, and you can see the status has changed. You requested the posted a job, found few agents. So this is the latest status, we can say, and current status also. Work status, work is not started yet, right? So whenever he says, yeah, this is the agent, as you can see, and there's a customer. So we can see you accepted an agent for your work, customer accepted an agent, so he has accepted an agent, and this is a customer side. So work has been started, work status is ongoing, work status is ongoing. He can decline, agent can decline, customer can decline, work complete, work can be completed. Now let me see, like first for the trial purposes, let me say decline. So whenever I say work cancel, you cancel this work cancel, customer cancel the work. So for suppose the agent has come and he has completed. Now we will see he has completed. So the work has been completed and work completed. So everything WebSockets thing, and we can see we have feedback thing also, and he can pay also. So let me say email ID, some test. This was cust, right? So we are using Stripe for payments for now, and this is a test card. So you can't take my card. Yeah, let me pay. Okay, this is okay. Yeah, now its payment has been done. We can see in the transaction. Before that, we can give feedback to how was the work. This is a customer. Very awesome, good job. We can also rate. Let me give 4, and the feedback has been given to him. Let me come over here and quickly see my transaction. So here in customer, these are some of the transaction. These are the test transaction which we have done. So we can get also receipt invoice like that also. Now in the customer, this field, my work's posted. These are customers who has posted this work, as you know. So that has been popped over here. And agent, my work's done. So this work has been done. So it's popped over here. Now coming to the feedbacks, this is the agent side and this is feedbacks, all the feedbacks, and this the latest one which we are given, very good job, rating 4, electrical for work, this work. And so our sentiment classifier, NLP classifier, is basically the technical part of this project will be in the GitHub, the deep learning part also. So what this basically is doing, like we have different classifiers and we'll be posting that names too. We are creating vote classifier, all our custom routines, custom classifiers. We are again on the top of that wrapper, we are adding vote classifier. So if we have 5 named classifier, out of that positive is 3 classifiers are predicting as positive and 2 are negative, so we will take 3 ones. So voting, we are taking vote procedure, we are taking on top of that, and with the confidence of 1 we are predicting that there is a positive sentiment. So this sentiment and this rating from this feedback of the work, we will take that into category. And once again, if we'll go to this customer thing, your profile, all profiles, this is an agent, he can go over here and he can also give feedback over here. Let me give feedback here. Nice, cool job, uh, seen from work done for my friend. Like he's like a recommended person, like for his friend, he has seen the job of that person, something like that, and he is giving feedback. He can, like after work also, it's not like after work only, we can give feedback in this profile also, and we can also rate. Let me give 4 only. and this feedback has been given. Now let me go to agent thing. Yeah, here, nice, cool job. This is a new feedback, and again the positive confidence and one. So this work done feedback and profile feedback, sentiment and this rating we will take into account. These are the parameters, four parameters we will give weights, different weights we will give, and based on that, um, we will give rating over here, global rating he gets. So based on the work, number of work done, like successful time, if he has completed within the time, that everything we can't know. Based on customer feedback only we can know. That's why we are using sentiment analysis, using that vote classifier and custom 5 name routines classifiers basically. And also customer can go over here, directly go to all profiles. If you want to talk with agent, he can come over here, he can connect with him, and it will land to our indigenous chat engine which we have developed. Without any of these things, he can just log in with Google itself. Social logins we have added, and it will take a little time. Okay, let me sign in. Yeah, it's signed in, and you can direct message to this agent. These are the agents, everything. You can directly message him. You can post in channels. This is like forums. You can add over here, or you can just directly talk with agent. Agent, you can upload media, all stuff. You can create some channels with these colors. Like you can pick some color, save color, and this will be popped over here. Let me say take something like this. This will be coming, and this will be changing thing. And you can also add new channel. Yeah, all those advanced features also you can do. And we can see top posted, uh, users created by whom, all those channels, forums, and these are direct messages to the agent itself. So as I said, the NLP stuff, how it goes on. Now talking about OCR, we are using like TensorFlow, TestRack, PyTestRack, NSCale, and all those modules and our custom routines to train our custom routines. We are like for Aadhaar card, we need to take a name, date of birth, and also the Aadhaar card number, ID, suppose. So we'll grab that, we will verify with the details he has specified, and we will use that details for future proof. So as you know, we have special skilled works and unskilled works. So for skilled works like cooking or more professional works, we need the verification should be more tight. So we use our own vidrooms or video audio engine, where agent should be present in front of the camera, and we will ask some questions like signature and everything. So the like it'll be like some KYC process, so it will be done online. And once it's verified, he's ready to be like agent, and he can take the job. And he can also post some cooking is main thing which we have found an example. If any other example comes, they can post over here in our site, and we can take that. So if he adds some cooking of food like chapati or paneer, so if any customer is interested, he can directly order to him. No need to go to any restaurant, directly order to person. That's the main motto of our Workify, decentralizing the business, all the business, horizontal and vertical businesses, in that main regard, like in that categories. So tech stack, we are using one stack for web app, and for deep learning, computer vision, NLP, and TestRact. And as I said, vote classifier with all 5 custom routines for the rating or customer agent rating. For that, we have used NLP. So basically, for sentiment analysis, for agent work, the feedback given by customer, we are using NLP. And for verification, computer vision and TestRact model, deep learning model. Now let's see if this is the agent. Apply to an agent. This is a sample Aadhaar card. I have applied. Again, I will show you to apply. We want to extract name, DOB, female, and we have to avoid this Hindi, other language typecasting QR code. And to take and birth, yeah, description, put it all, just publish. Yeah, it will take time. Now, well, getting the images, it will take time actually to it will actually take this image in the compressed format, and it will extract all those from test track model OCR thing it will do. Now let me now check our profile. Yeah, it has taken actually other number, other dob, timestamp based, and this is the name, and rating is 4, as you know. So these are the details. Now just to show the agent in his profile is having 4 itself. I'm using some aggressive parameter just to show some change in rating. So we'll add some work from customer, say some need driver needed, driver needed, some image we can choose, let's say something like delivery, um, yeah, submitted. Now go to works. So this is the thing. Let me quickly set up. This is a customer, right? And this is the agent, and this is again mobile responsive, just to show you works. This is the agent, guys. This is the agent, and this is the customer. Now let me go to this thing, and if I want to take job, and he will pops up over here. We accept upsets and all those things I have just explained. We can decline that. Let me decline. You can also decline anyway. Completed, work completed, and everything. He's ready to pay. Uh, yeah, 2000, as you can see, it's been paid. Let's give a feedback. Nice, awesome job work. 4. Now let's go to agent side. This is the agent and this is the customer, as you can see. Feedbacks, his feedbacks, and you can see nice, awesome job, keep it up. Now let's say his rating, and we can take from that payment our company, like business model, basically we will take some amount from that, and or it can be saying monthly subscription wise, so that some profile information will be hidden and something will be shown if they will pay. If the subscription is more, we will show that. That can be the business model. And of course, some con is like the customer need not to pay using our payment gateway only, they can pay from other gateways, so we will not receive that amount. So what we'll do is we can take the credit card information before only, as in the profile information, getting profile information thing, and update profile also we can do that. And at that time we can use recurring payments, like monthly we can charge some bill, or he can also, the agent can also pay us if he is trusted agent, something like professional skilled agent, which they are more or like centralized, and other agents who's like they are unskilled, like there is not particular big job there, like we need not to do that much verification for that. Agents, they can just simply with this income only we can do our business model. But for our and they are decentralized, so that's the business model. Basically agents who are unskilled, we can just from this payment, whenever the customer pays, we can take some small chunk, like 5% or some commission. And who are like trusted and skilled agents, we can charge them recurring charges or monthly wise, based on how much work they have done, based on rating we will pay them, or they need to pay us, like that we can take something like that. And once this has been done, now let us see the agent rating. After this, it's changed to 5. Again, I have used aggressive parameters to show the huge boost, just for test example, like in the demo. So yeah, that's it. And so that's Workify. You can contribute to us, like this open source project. You can give star, and you can give your suggestion. You can just go through this all this documentation in the landing page. So yeah, thank you. Thank you. And there's a vidroom thing for verification, as I've said. So yeah, it pops up over here. You can we have some cool filters, you can change that. Yeah, you can do all stuff, and your agent can connect over here. Let me just open that in another thing, and this is the URL actually, but using same camera it may be difficult. Yeah, yeah, so we can chat to you. So this is the indigenous thing which we have developed. Here he can change this thing, that will be shown to us over here. And my filter, let's just everything like this. Yeah, this is a my filter will be shown to him, and his filter is shown to me. So that's indigenous video chatting or just chatting. Also we have developed for our Workify web app. So basically, this is the one user, black and white, that will be shown to the second user over here, and if he changes something like this, that will be shown over here. So yeah. And again, guys, all the documentation and the technical stuff about deep learning, machine learning, and Munchstack usage and functionalities, technical stuff will be present in GitHub page, and the links will be provided for all those machine learning and Munchstack thing. And these are the things we can just go through here in this landing page. And if you have any doubt, you can contact us. Feel free to contact us. So yeah, on GitHub or anywhere. Yeah, thank you.